Eagles are powerful birds of prey known for their sharp vision, strong talons, and majestic flight. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, often living near bodies of water where they hunt fish and small mammals. Eagles are solitary hunters, known for their ability to soar at great heights and spot prey from miles away. They are symbols of strength, freedom, and power, often featured in national emblems and cultural iconography. However, eagle populations are threatened by habitat destruction, pollution, and hunting. Conservation efforts have helped some eagle species recover, focusing on habitat protection and reducing environmental contaminants.